In this video, I will show you how we can change the recent dis recent display workbooks in Excel. So by default, if you click on File and go to Open, here is the list of recently open documents. So by default, it is the Excel can show 25 documents here in the recent tab of the Open file menu, the Open. And if you want to change the setting, go to Options and go to Advanced. And here under Display, you can see this show this number of recent workbooks. It is 25. It means it can show 25 workbooks by default. If you want to change this number, like if you want to show only 10 workbooks, you can change this number and click on OK. So now Excel will display only the 10 workbooks. By default, I have opened 3 workbooks only, but Excel can, if you have opened any, if you open 7 more document, it can show up the document 10 documents. And after that, if you open the 11 document, Excel will reduce this the last document will be removed from this list, and 10 will be remaining. So if you want to pin any document, you can also pin the document by right clicking it and pin to list. So this will will be pinned, and no matter what no matter the 10 documents which you have set, this will be displayed at the top, so you can access your favorite document. So in this way you can configure how to change the number of recent workbooks in Excel. Thanks for watching.